conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck. I just want fun, peace, sleep, love. Happy, can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me?
You repair my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get it all, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down better, making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't.
All right, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I hope you guys are doing all right today. It is now 6:08 a.m. Okay, 6:08 a.m. Y'all, hubby is up finna throw something together for our kiddos before they go to school. I bet you they put it in there. They put it in. Oh no, they must put it in here then. Yep. So y'all see my little. Don't pay the. We live in here, okay? So don't pay the stuff that my kids got on the chair and on the floor no mind, cause they finna clean that up. They don't even know. But yeah, y'all. I hope you guys have slept wonderful. I mean, I slept okay. Like I told y'all, my kiddos were sick. They all had fevers. Every last one of them. Not just one. Every last one of them. Well, except for my older ones. But all the babies had fevers. So yeah, yesterday was a bunch of Tylenol, Motrin, Pedialyte soup. And yeah, just to keep them hydrated and things like that. So now they're up. Mom, oh, eat. So that's what hubby's in here getting right. So yeah, I don't know what we'll probably do for you guys today. Probably clean up. Well, I know I got to work, so y'all gonna probably get a little cleaner right now since it's early. And then I'm gonna be at work, so I will see you guys in a little bit.
Right by you, yeah. Can I do you like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. You like
Alright, y'all. So your girl is back. As y'all can see, the living room is now clean. I cleaned it. I know I said my kids were going to get their stuff up, but I went on and did it because they were going to take too long. I needed it to go ahead and be done the correct way, so I don't got to worry about saying you ain't do this, you ain't do that. So yeah, I went on to clean it. Now I'm just chilling in the chair. My hubby's still cooking. And trying to figure out how I'm going to do this thankful Christmas tree. I want to get some orange, some brown, some gold, maybe some ribbons, or even burlap. Burlap would be real cute. With some little pumpkins around it and up under it, like, you know, thankful. A thankful tree. And then when Christmas comes, I can incorporate the Christmas decor. You know, like I don't know if I want to do, last year, I think I had I don't know, I forgot what theme it was. I'm going to insert a clip here. That's what theme I did. I think it was the traditional colors, like the green, the peppermint type look and all of that. And I may still do that again. Incorporate that in, cause I still got them Christmas like decorations, and they were expensive as crap. And I know I got them from At Home. That's where I got my Christmas decor from, At Home. Cause they had a good sale. Yeah, baby, just a little bit. At Home had a good sale, y'all. And I had got a lot of that stuff on sale. So I'm going to be looking on their sites this year to see if they got sales again. So if y'all looking for some good decorations for Christmas, definitely check out At Home. Hobby Lobby be having some good stuff too, because I think I did get some stuff from Hobby Lobby. But yeah, definitely check that out. And I'm a person that like to shop online, so I can make sure I get my stuff and it's delivered directly to my door. So I did a big order and got a big old box with all my stuff in it. Yep, and I'm gonna do the same, because that's how I just get what I want for my decor and not go inside of the store and be disappointed because they only got some of what I want and not all of it. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that. And I'm also gonna let my kids, like I said, make some, probably make like some little thankful cards and stuff like that so I can hang it up there. And, ooh, you know how Walmart or Hobby Lobby be having them little clear ornaments? They can make their own thankful ornament. You feel what I'm saying? And their own Christmas ornament. I'm definitely going to do that again. Yeah, that was fun. I'm going to do that. But yeah, y'all just got to stay tuned and keep rocking with your girl. Thank you for everybody who has subscribed. I did want to say that. Thank you guys for subscribing and rocking with your girl, because I'm telling y'all, it's a lot. So if y'all want watching like y'all watching and hitting that like button, matter of fact, don't forget to hit that like button like right now. Like hit that like button right now, okay? And hit that post notification bell and stay notified so you guys will know what we doing over here. You feel what I'm saying? Like, period. If you're not rocking with us, like, what are you doing? Like, come on, Treat Squad, let's get it. Y'all Treatz, ain't you? Okay then, let's ding 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 ding. Okay, period. Anyway, but yeah, y'all definitely need to, check them places out. And yeah, y'all, oh, what's today? I think today. Today is the 31st. I don't know. Like I said, whoever it is, like, you know. Today's the 31st when I'm recording this, but I think I already told y'all Happy Halloween in the previous one. But y'all, I'm going to say it again because I don't remember. If y'all celebrated Happy Halloween, we don't celebrate it. So yeah. Thank you, baby. Yeah, because I didn't want a lot. I told my husband I didn't want a lot, y'all. And this might be too much. Sometimes breakfast mess my stomach up. So, just to be on the safe side. I want to do a little bit. But yeah, y'all. I ain't had no fried meat in a long time. But yeah, y'all. Ooh, that's hot. Hold on. Wait. Y'all hear my babies that coughing. But their appetite is back today. And I'm finna get them some Pedialyte with their breakfast. So, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and do this real quick. Eat my food. And I'll see y'all in a minute. I see my baby. He's fine. He's fine. Over there looking like a whole meal. That's what it's going on. Hey, Daddy. Hey, y'all. Hey, what's up? We back. Okay, so your girl I'm on break and I'm finna make some food real quick. I'm hungry. So I'm finna make these hot dogs, okay? So, I don't know y'all real and all that. I need to find out what
Lies, baby, stop telling me lies.
They really grabbed this bag from the store. Well, we ain't having no fries. Look at it. They gonna take this back to the store today. I'm not cooking this. Look at all these holes in this bag. It's mad holes in this bag. Well, just some hot dogs.
When I go with confidence, when I go with roll our hips and take back sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, walk on. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Flick a wrist and just.
so stupid. All right, y'all. So, all right, y'all. Your girl is back. I just got off work, y'all. I'm tired. Okay. So what I'm gonna do? I think I grabbed enough footage. Even if I didn't or I did, it doesn't matter because if I did, it's just gonna be a longer video. If I didn't, it's just gonna be cut off right here because as you guys can see, my eyes are red, baby. Okay. Your girl is tired. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop in the shower, come out. Hubby don't know, but he finna give me a nice rub.
Oh, I know. I'm waiting.
And then
Rub 2, round 3.
your girl is going night like a light. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, happy November 1st. It's finally November. And then you guys, guess what? Like Christmas. That's my favorite holiday. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So